Good morning to all. Today I want to share information about webinar. This webinar organized through Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Department of Food Technology. Two-day national webinar series and events on the occasion of National Nutrition Month 2020. Basically theme F&D 2020. Nutritional food, nutraceutical and designer food. The main objective of this webinar to celebrate Nutritional Month is to raise awareness on the importance of nutrition for health. To mark this occasion, various events have been planned by the department for 3 weeks starting from 14 September to 29 September 2020. This webinar is open to faculty members, research and students. Registration is free and e-certificate will be provided to all participants. Here is the link for registration. You can join this webinar on MS Team, Microsoft Team. Basically, four events are organized to celebrate National Nutrition Month. First one is Food Casio, second one is Spark Up, third one is Food Preneur, and fourth one is Nutri Burma. Here is the information related to speakers. Program schedule. Name of the event, event description and date of the event. First week and for second week, likewise for third week. Registration link open from 14 and close on 22 September 2020. Here is the detailed information about how to participate in these events. For Food Casio, list of the food products and rules and regulations. Basically, participant can choose any of the two food products listed about, mention all ingredient with quantity and their nutrition content with unit, calculate the total energy, carbohydrate, protein, fat, iron in the selected products, and mention participant name, department and college on the top of the document. Submit as a PDF and e-certificate will be provided to winner and also for the participant. Last date for registration and submission 16 September. Then for Spark Up, basically this is e-quiz. Rule and regulation for e-quiz. E-certificate will be mailed to the participant, those who scored 70% and above. And question will be asked from the following field: functional, nutraceutical, designer food. And last date for registration and submission is 18 and 19 September. For foodpreneur rule and regulation, this is basically team based event. Maximum number of participants per team 2. And last date for registration and submission 20 September. For NutriBrahma, in this event, two product category present. Product category first and product category second. Here is the rule and regulations. In this event, photo display of prepared recipe with participant. And last date for registration and submission 22 September. This event is fruitful for